Good morning, students. Today, our first topic is the story of village Palampur. So, basically, the purpose of this story is related to the basic concept of production that is done in a hypothetical village called Palampur. So, hypothetical means imaginary. Okay. So, first of all, we will start with an introduction to the village and will cover the main aspects and various data about the village. Okay. Then we will explain different production concept using the examples from the village, and then how farming is done in this village we will find out. Okay. So here the Palampur village has around 450 families which belong to different castes and creeds. Okay, the main activity of Palampur is farming, and 80 families of the upper caste own the majority of land in Palampur. Okay, we can also say that in the our society the upper caste has more majority of land. Okay, so there are other activities in the Palampur like dairy, transport, small scale manufacturing, etc. So which also helps run the economy in the Palampur. Okay. So the neighboring towns of the village are well connected, and all weather road also well connected. There are options for transportation which are available like tongas, bogies, jeeps, bullock carts, tractors, etc. You can also see in your villages there are many kinds of transportation facilities. So here also the transportation facilities is just like your own village. Okay. So many houses of in this village are well equipped with electricity. Electricity is also responsible for the tube wells in the fields. Many small businesses use electricity. Okay, for their daily purposes. And for education, Palampur has two primary schools and one high school. Beside this, there is also a primary healthcare center which is run by the government, and also one private dispensary. Okay. Now let's move on to next topic, that is production stages. Okay. As it is mentioned above, the main purpose that we have to discuss in this chapter is the various concepts that the village uses for production. Okay, production is very important for running the economy, you all know. For the production of services and goods of any type, there are four factors that are used in the production. They are land, capital, labor, and enterprise. So, out of these four factors, the first and the most important factor is land. So, land include other natural resources like forest, minerals, and water. These natural resources are the most important factor in production. Second is the requirement of labor. There are many production and manufacturing activities in the village which require highly educated workers, while other activities require manual labor. And the third is the requirement of physical capital. This includes inputs that are required at every step of production. The inputs are machines, tools, buildings which can be used for the production for many years, and are also called fixed capital. Okay, while money in hand and material are called working capital. The fourth and final requirement is the enterprise. Okay. So students, we find that when we start a production, we have all the four factors that we already discussed. These are land, labor, physical capital, and enterprise. To put all the land, labor, and physical capital together, one needs to have knowledge and enterprise. Then finally, you will get output. Okay. These days, this final factor is also called as human capital. Thus, for the production, each and every factor above is very important. Okay. तो बच्चों, हमने ये देखा कि किसी भी प्रोडक्शन को स्टार्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास सबसे पहले भूमि होनी चाहिए, यानी लैंड होना चाहिए। ओके, इसके बाद लेबर होना चाहिए, यानी वर्कफोर्स जो आपके लिए काम करे। उसके बाद फिज़िकल कैपिटल होनी चाहिए। जिसे हम लोग फिक्स्ड कैपिटल भी कहते हैं, जैसे कि मशीन्स, टूल्स, है ना, जो भी हैं आपकी बिल्डिंग्स, ये सब आपके फिक्स्ड कैपिटल हैं। ये कभी भी आपकी जाएंगी नहीं कहीं पे भी। ओके। और और जो पैसा है आपके हाथ में जो फैक्ट्रीज को चलाने के लिए लगता है, वो क्या आपका वर्किंग कैपिटल है। और जो फैक्ट्री में जो सामान बना रहा है वो भी आपका एक वर्किंग कैपिटल है, यानी आपकी आय का स्रोत है। ठीक है। और चौथा और फाइनल रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, इंटरप्राइज। इन सारी चीज़ों को एक जगह इकट्ठा करके और इनको चलाने का अगर काम किया जाए तो वो आपका इंटरप्राइज होता है, जिसको हम लोग उद्योग भी कहते हैं या उद्यम भी कहते हैं। ठीक है। जो सभी चीज़ों को जो है क्या करे, मैनेज करे। और इस समय इस चीज़ को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, ह्यूमन कैपिटल। इतनी सारी चीज़ें लगती हैं एक उद्योग को चलाने के लिए, प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए। ठीक है।